Welcome, today I'm showing you how to change screen recorder sound settings into a Motorola Moto G200. First of all, open your top bar and find screen recorder button, this one. If you don't have this button, click to pencil, and then need scroll down and find this button here. Then need drag and hold to top for add this button on the top. And for saving, click back. And now when you edit this button here, press it, start recording, click start, and now when you see this panel, here will be sound settings, like this microphone. When you click here, you can see 4 options: microphone, system sound, microphone and system sound, or without sound. So for choosing, click, and it's continue screen recorder with this sound settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.